What up, everybody? It's your girl July from Kickback Couture, and today I'm gonna show you a large amount, a plethora of other YouTube channels you can watch for reason content. Alright, obviously we have my channel first, Kickback Couture. Now with my channel, I have, if you go to playlists, for example, I have, I can't find it. Oh, there we go. I have 192 reason tutorials right here, ready for you to watch. So, for example, you might request something that I've already done, and this is how you can look that up. So, here's the search bar. I'm gonna put in mix beats. Sure, why not? That's one I get a lot. And reason specifically. And here's a video, how to mix a beat from beginning to end. And if we scroll down, mixed by Ali, we got some stuff that's not on this topic, but keep scrolling. How to mix drums, trap drums, how to get huge mixes. Alright, beats loud enough, how to master your beats. So if there's anything you can think of that I have not already done, definitely comment. At the end of every video, I ask everyone to comment any suggestions or tutorial requests, and if I've already done it, I probably won't do it again. So that was me. Next up, Reason Studios. Reason periodically publishes videos, and they are always incredibly helpful. If you don't know there's a Reason Studios YouTube channel, well, now you know. Alright, next up, Big Vic TV. He is one of the GOATs of Reason, and he is still consistent. Now, I chose these based off of consistency and who I know is still shaking up the Reason game. Alright, so Big Vic TV is next. He has a ton of videos, probably over 1,000 at this point, and you can scroll through his channel and search his channel with this right here, just like you would mine or anybody else's. Alright, Big Vic. After Big Vic, we got Reason Gang TV. Reason Gang TV. Alright, now this channel is also responsible for Hydronexius, a rack extension, Akias, I hope I'm pronouncing that right, Helium, and a plethora of other, I think there's one more other rack extension he makes. It's the drum sequencer, what's it called? Morphine 8. Also Morphine 8. So definitely check out these videos if you want to get more into sound design and just generally everything you see here. Check it out, alright? Sef Nitty. Sef Nitty is, I think, one of the most consistent Reason uploaders on YouTube ever. Alright, so pretty much check these videos out. It usually doesn't have commentation, so you're just purely watching him cook up on whatever the topic he says it's gonna be. So right here, you can't get this workflow in any other DAW. So watch it and pick up some tips from his workflow. You might incorporate it in yours. Just make music and stop complaining. Learn the DAW. You can do that too. Watch that video, see how he's doing it. Alright, just have fun and explore. Subscribe to these channels. Alright, next, Paul Ortiz. Also a Reason GOAT. He's done a plethora of, what are they called? Courses and tutorials based on Reason. Alright. Now the channels I talked about previously were more tailored to, aside from Reason Studios, were more tailored to hip hop and trap and whatnot. But this is more experimental. As you can see, we have synthwave here and chemical, hyper light drifter, UK future garage, vaporwave, things like that, things of that nature. Alright, next we got the Geeks music group. and you can see what these videos are about just by looking at them. Little Uzi Vert melodies, Nexus 3 and Reason 11.2. I highly recommend you subscribe to this channel as well. Incredible videos here. The David Agenda. Alright, here's another one. Incredible Reason videos. Reason needs to improve. Beat map. The David Agenda. On this channel, you'll always find things that are true. It doesn't sugarcoat anything. He's always telling the truth, whether it be an improvement he wants to see in Reason or an improvement that he loves that was just added to Reason. So definitely check this channel out as well, the David Agenda. Now we have Samuel Prather. Samuel Prather is a recent addition to the Reason family, but I believe in his videos he says he's been using Reason since 2003 or 2, one of those years. Definitely check him out. He's an incredible tutor, teacher, instructor. All of those words mean the same thing, and he is incredible at those titles. Check these videos out as well. Stock Music Musician. Another GOAT for the Reason family. Scroll down, you'll find stuff about music licensing, getting your music on TV and whatnot, things of that nature. Definitely check out this channel as well. Some of the videos are tailored to Reason and the other half are tailored to music licensing. Alright, Stock Music Musician. ABC Do Beatmaking. Follow this guy on Twitter, Instagram, and he follows me back. Seeing tons of great content coming from him. Different language, so a lot of it is a different language, so a lot of it, I think, if I'm not mistaken, doesn't include commentary. However, it is still incredibly beneficial to follow along if you're just getting started in Reason, or even if you're a vet, to learn new techniques. Alright. Alexis Ortiz, Sofield. Let's go to videos, check out what's going on. Now, this guy is the definition of document. He documents his music creation process. It's incredible to watch someone just make music without scripting, and he's doing an amazing job at that. So check out these videos as well and add some of his techniques to your Reason workflow as with the other Reasoners. Then we got Maveric. This is another channel that is in a different language, but there are tons of workflow tips you can pick up on. Now, I even know that there's probably hundreds of thousands of people that watch my channel and don't speak very good English, but they still watch, so definitely check these out as well. Last but not least, Herman Krantz. Videos, how to tune your drum samples, how to use beat map to create melodies, a plethora of different topics that I'm sure you all will enjoy. As you may know, a lot of us cover similar content, so we all also have different teaching styles, so you might learn better from one of us than the other. And this is why I'm showing you these different YouTube channels that relate to Reason as a DAW, so that you can go learn Reason in different areas, different places. Now, me personally, you may have noticed I've been using Live a lot, so every video I do isn't going to be catered to Reason. That's why I wanted to make sure I share out these different channels that deserve your support as a Reason user. It's all culture, kick back, and cook up.